So how did you get started in the garment industry? I mean, you said you've been in Vietnam, you started in Vietnam 29 years ago. What did you do before that?
Well, I started off being a bad student at school, so my father told me, wisen up or get to work, you know. So I decided to get to work, and I did a training for inspection quality business in Switzerland in a factory, and then flew into Pakistan and had to learn from scratch.
Wow.
In the garment factory there, fully integrated.
So my understanding is that your current specialty is inspections, but you also have a small sourcing team. And how do those two relate? How does your
Well, it's a growing sourcing team because there's more and more demand for it. The sourcing team just comes there as a support to my customers to increase the volume of the business in the places where we operate. So if I source good suppliers for them, they will place more orders and I will do more inspections. So it's just a business model I have, that I give some services, mostly free of charge, just to develop the business down the line for me.
So how do you inspect 5,000 goods?
Well, first of all, I'm not going to
5,000 pieces.
I won't introduce one factory because I don't want to take a decision away from a customer. So I will introduce a few options with my recommendations. That factory might have a better price, but the quality is average. The other factory might be a bit more expensive, more costly, but you're sure that quality level will be higher or the delivery will be more punctual. So yeah, I just not introduce one. I always introduce options. The decision to buy and the price negotiation remains on the side of the customer. I don't want to be involved in that because I'm not an agent, I'm not a trader.
Gotcha.
And I don't make money from that. So we charge for a mandate. Usually the difference with other inspection companies, we send two people, not one. So we send two inspectors and we would charge a fixed rate of $250 for a mandate. If it's far away, we need to go by air, or is a hotel accommodation required, we would charge us on top of it at cost. We would show the cost of this. If it's a regular customer, where we do only a few inspections every month, we can still keep the mandate but reduce that mandate to 175, or it depends on the volume. If we have even a more regular customer where we have inspections, a few times a week or every day, we often change the price structure and we charge a fixed fee per shipped goods. So we own, for example, the t-shirt will charge, 9 cents for each shirt shipped or t-shirt shipped. That gives the customer the guarantee that we try to get the goods to go on time as well. So we're not just involved about inspection. We're proactive and we want to make sure that when the goods come to a final stage of inspection before shipment, nothing is blocked. So we like to do inspections in line, not just a final inspection. Because if you just inspect at the end, it's too late to fix anything. So we prefer to work at the first stage. What we call the PP meeting is pre-production. And then during when the first pieces come out of the line, we want to be there and take a corrective action plan right away to fix whatever's coming out, rather than at the end and have to try to repair goods, which is nearly impossible.
Cool. So if you're interested to know more about Frank's inspection services in Vietnam, in the notes below there will be his contact information, and feel free to contact Frank directly. Thank you, Frank, for your time today, and good luck with all your ongoings in Vietnam.
Thank you.
Cool. Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a fashion startup consultant based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. My passion is working with energetic startups to prepare them to meet investors. Together, we write your business plan, create your tech packs, fill in your quantity breakdown list, and finalize your quality control checklist. Then I take you to the Vietnamese sewing factories to get a price quote and get samples made. Get started by reading my ebooks or listening to them on audio. When you're ready, Hire me and I will ease your fears and give you an action plan to realize your garment production dreams. Let's work together in Vietnam.